Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma Ryuki versus S.H. Figuarts Ryuki. We'll dive deep into what makes each figure unique, focusing on their design philosophies. Expect a thorough breakdown of their sculpt details, how well they articulate for dynamic poses, and the variety of accessories they offer. My goal is to provide you with clear insights, helping you make an informed decision on which version of Ryuki will be the perfect addition to your display shelf. When it comes to sculpt, Figma often leans into a more stylized, almost animated look, while S.H. Figuarts strives for screen accuracy, replicating the suit's intricate details. Articulation is another key differentiator. Figma frequently uses a robust joint system, offering a wide range of motion, sometimes with visible joints. S.H. Figuarts often integrates articulation more subtly, aiming for seamless aesthetics while still providing excellent posability. We'll explore how these design choices affect dynamic posing and overall visual appeal. Accessories can truly elevate a figure, and both Figma and S.H. Figuarts offer compelling options. Figma Ryuki often comes packed with a wide array of expressive hands, effect parts for attacks, and sometimes even alternative visor pieces, allowing for diverse display scenarios. S.H. Figuarts, on the other hand, frequently includes highly detailed advent cards, specific weapons like the drag visor, and sometimes even unique effect parts to recreate iconic finishing moves. We'll compare the breadth and quality of these extras, helping you decide which set offers more bang for your buck. Ultimately, deciding which Ryuki figure is better often comes down to personal preference and what you value most in a collectible. Figma generally offers a more stylized aesthetic with robust articulation and a wealth of accessories, often at a slightly higher price point. S.H. Figuarts delivers screen-accurate realism, subtle articulation, and show-specific accessories, usually at a competitive price. Consider your budget, desired display style, and whether you prioritize articulation or accuracy. Both are fantastic, but one might just be perfect for your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.